What's up, you guys? Here we got a 2008 550i, also known as an E60. So this is the alert that I got on my BMW. It says low beam, right low beam malfunction. So that's exactly what I'm about to take care of and show you guys how to fix. This side works great, but this side bulb is not working. So I'm gonna show you guys how to replace that. It's the XENON bulb. If you're not too sure which light bulb you need for your XENON bulb, go right here. It should say right there. This one is the D1S XENON bulb. If you're gonna connect the XENON bulb, the D1S version, it looks like just like this, and it's gonna go back here. This light bulb right here is a H8 HID light bulb, and that one's a little brighter for my little angel eyes right here. It's a pretty easy process. It's basically plug and play. Basically just disconnect this tab and the other tab, unplug that, put the new light bulb connection in there, plug it in, and insert your H8 light bulb in here, and it's gonna shine bright just like that. So now we're gonna fix this right low beam malfunction. With your headlight, you're gonna remove the tabs right here, remove this tab, make it a little loose so you could wiggle it around. This tabs right here, you pop them open, basically just push this button down and this button down, this little tab, and you're gonna simply pop that open. It's gonna pop out. Okay, so if your light bulb is still inside, this is the connector right here. My light bulb is already out. It simply just goes like this. Okay, so your light bulb is basically gonna be stuck in there just like that. So basically just gonna grab this right here and you're just gonna yank it off. Just like that. It's gonna come off just like that. So remove the old light bulb, take this little gasket off simply by pressing down on here. It's gonna come out. Take this out. See how it's like metal here? Grab your new light bulb and you're simply gonna attach it just like this in here. The little tab right there is gonna crack. You're gonna hear a pop when you close it. Heard that? That means it's nice and snug, so it's not gonna go anywhere. So you grab your new light bulb and simply plug it in. Now before you do everything and put it back inside, turn on your car to see if your light bulb works. So let's check it out. There we go, there we go. We got light, we got light. This is exactly what you want to see. This is exactly how you do it. So now let's go turn off the car before it gets too hot. Okay, good news, it works. Okay, so we're simply gonna insert it back in here. It's gonna look just like that. So you're simply gonna insert it right inside where that hole is at. You're basically gonna twist to the left until you feel that it kind of locks. So once it locks, that means it's stable and it's not gonna go anywhere, so you'll be good to go. All right, so now that I got this in here, we're gonna grab the light bulb and we're gonna insert it in that little hole like I said, just like that. Okay, it's finally in there, nice and snug. I stuck it in the hole and I simply just turned it a little bit to the left and it got locked. So now you simply just put these on back. My headlight's a little loose, so I could simply just maneuver it, close it in there, and it should work. Now let's try it on. All right, let's see the moment of truth. All right, and it looks like they're both working. Check it out. We got it nice and bright. That's just exactly how we want it, just like that. Fortunately, my tabs broke, so I gotta replace that, and also my gasket, I gotta replace that. This happened during a small little accident, happened a couple months back. Replacing the whole headlight will be around $800 for both, and that's a good price. You know, these are XENON, so they're a little bit more expensive, and they're adaptive. Adaptive means that when you turn your steering wheel, the light bulbs also move with the steering wheel. Okay, there you guys have it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully this helps a lot of people. I know it helped me when I was watching videos on YouTube, and I just want to do the right thing as well and help others as well, especially if you're a BMW guy like me, man. We got to stick together and have everybody whipping foreigns all day long, you know what I'm saying? That's how we got to do it. That's my mission, for everybody to own a little BMW, or at least give it a try, you know what I'm saying? The bulbs are going to cost you around $60 for the pair. It depends which ones you want and where you buy them, but the minimum price is going to be like $60, but it's gonna last you a while. If I were you, I'd go to a local car audio place where they got light bulbs. You can kind of get warranty with them, so in case it breaks or the fuse burns out, you could go and get a new one. That's what I did today instead of buying another one. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed, go subscribe and like this video. Show it to somebody that needs help. Winter's coming up, so it's about to be dark outside, and you can't be driving with no light bulb. Beamer clan right here. It's on the right. Just get it.